Synchronous Serial Bus Field and its groups of n length. The first field of an 1 bit smart start bit similar to one of an UART. Second field of an 7 bit addresses field. It defines the slave address which is being sent to the data frame of many bytes by the master. Third field of an 1 control bit defines whether a read or a write cycle in the process. Fourth field of an 1 control bit defines it is whether in the personal data is an acknowledgement. So synchronous serial of a bus and its length. Fifth field of an 8 bits is having a 12 I square C. I square means integrated devices data bytes. Sixth field of an 1 bit that which represents the enact. Enact means negative acknowledgement from the receiver. If active, then the acknowledgement of a data transfer needed to the slave. Each acknowledgement is expected to the slave. Seventh field of 1 bit stop bit like UART. The disadvantages of an I2C bus: time taken by the algorithm in hardware that analyze the bit through an I2C in case the slave hardware does not provide the hardware that supports it. Certain ICs supports the protocol and certain do not. Open collector drivers at the master need to get pull up resistance of 2.2K on each line. So device connected to the bus must hardware details of an integrated square C circuits. So devices connected to the bus must have an open and drain and open collector output for a serial clock and the data signal. The device must also be able to sense the logic level on these pins. All devices have a common ground reference. The serial clock and the data lines are connected to then typically 5 voltage through the pull-up resistors, and any given moment of an I2C bus is quiescence, its master transmit mode or in master receive mode. So IC square, the structural diagrams here is given here. If any single node reaches a 0, the entire line is 0. I2C device are wire and add together. So this is the output device. This is the output of a bit transfer. In normal data transfer, the data line only changes state when the clock is low. So start and stop conditions. A transmitting data starts and a conditions high defined as either a start or a stop condition. Both start and stop conditions generally by the bus master. The bus is considered busy after a start condition until a stop condition occurs. This is represented in the graph representation. Introduction of a CANBUS. So presentation goals: CANBUS introduce CANBUS characteristics and the message orientation. What is a CANBUS? So CANBUS is represented as the network multiple microcontroller with one pair of wires allow microcontroller communicate with each other's high-speed real-time communications, provide noise immunity in the electrically noise environment. Who uses the CAN buses? Designed specifically automotive applications like vehicles, they are used for the CAN buses. Today, industrial automations and medical equipment mostly run with the CAN buses. Thank you.